There's been a revolution in artificial intelligence. Machines are doing things that we used to think only humans were capable of. They're able to recognize objects, discern faces, recognize speech, and much more. Most of this is due to a type of machine learning that uses artificial neural networks, known as deep learning. People have all sorts of reactions to this new type of AI, ranging from excitement and wonder to fear and concern. But for all of us, deep learning is transforming the world that we live in. It's natural for many people to think that the workings of these models are beyond comprehension. But actually, the fundamentals of deep learning are very accessible, something all of us can understand. Deep learning is a type of AI that does computations using neural networks. A neural network is a model that's built on individual computing units, also known as neurons. Each neuron applies very simple computations to its inputs, involving just multiplying, adding, and passing sums through simple filters. These simple computations of many individual neurons are combined into large coordinated neural networks that achieve the human-like results we find so remarkable, including recognizing images, driving cars, and beating world champions in games. I'm Dr. Anne Hsu. I'm an associate professor in machine learning. My PhD was in computational neuroscience. I've done research in machine learning and deep learning for over 20 years, spanning the fields of neuroscience, human psychology, and artificial intelligence. In my experience teaching students, anyone can learn anything that's explained in an approachable way. We all can understand how deep learning models work. This is why I created this course on Introduction to Deep Learning. In this course, I'll be covering the fundamentals of deep learning. I'll give you the background that's needed, and we'll go through each of the important concepts step by step. There will be practical, guided examples and lots of visualizations so you can see what's going on and see how all the different components come together. We'll talk about how to set up deep learning problems, what inputs these models receive, and what outputs they produce. We'll discuss the different types of data we can use and the different types of learning problems that we can solve. We'll look at the computations that neural models perform and how single neuron computations combine to produce powerful multi-neuron deep learning networks. We'll step through how neural network models learn and make predictions. Throughout the course, I'll also be giving examples of deep learning breakthroughs in a variety of domains. People have worried that AI will shrink the job market. But studies have found that this is not the case, and actually, AI is just changing the way we work, shifting us towards roles where we work alongside AI. Artificial intelligence is one of the highest employment growth areas, and deep learning is one of the top skills sought after in AI jobs. Whether you'll be developing AI or working alongside AI, we all can benefit from understanding how deep learning models work. The fundamentals of deep learning are accessible to everyone. There's no reason for this to remain a mystery. My goal is to demystify deep learning for you and give you a strong foundation in deep learning and artificial neural networks so you can continue learning in this exciting new field with clarity and confidence.